Ever found yourself staring blankly at the BMO login screen, your mind drawing a complete blank on that password you thought you'd never forget? You're not alone. In today's fast-paced world, juggling multiple online accounts and their corresponding passwords can feel like a Herculean task. And when it comes to something as crucial as your online banking, the frustration can quickly escalate. Think about it. You're trying to pay a bill, check your account balance, or maybe even transfer funds, and that dreaded incorrect password message keeps popping up. Your heart might skip a beat. Did someone try to access your account? Are you locked out for good? The anxiety can be real. But take a deep breath. The good news is that BMO has a straightforward process in place to help you regain access to your online banking without needing to make a trip to a branch or spend ages on the phone. In this comprehensive guide, we're going to walk you through every step of how to reset your BMO online banking password, ensuring you can get back to managing your finances with ease and peace of mind. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's quickly touch upon why having a secure password is so important. Your online banking account holds sensitive financial information. A strong, unique password acts as the first line of defense against unauthorized access and potential fraud. While it might seem inconvenient to remember a complex string of characters, the security it provides is invaluable. Resetting your password when you've forgotten it is a crucial security measure, preventing you from trying to guess repeatedly and potentially locking your account or making it vulnerable. Now, let's get down to business. Here's a step-by-step breakdown of how to reset your BMO online banking password. Step 1. Navigate to the BMO Online Banking login page. The first thing you'll need to do is open your web browser and go to the official BMO Online Banking login page. You can usually find this by searching BMO Online Banking on Google or by directly typing the web address into your browser's address bar. Make sure you're on a legitimate BMO website to avoid any phishing scams. Look for the padlock icon in your browser's address bar, which indicates a secure connection. Step 2. Locate the Forgot Your Password link. Once you're on the login page, you'll see fields for your username or access ID and password. Below these fields, or sometimes to the side, you should find a link that says something like Forgot Your Password, Password Reset, or similar. Click on this link. Step 3. Verify your identity. Clicking the Forgot Your Password link will take you to a page where BMO will need to verify your identity. This is a crucial security measure to ensure that only you can reset your password. The verification process might involve one or more of the following. Entering your username or access ID, you'll likely be asked to enter your BMO Online Banking username or access ID. This is the unique identifier you chose when you first registered for online banking. If you've forgotten this as well, there might be a separate Forgot Username or Forgot Access ID link you can click, which will likely involve providing other identifying information. Answering security questions. During your initial online banking setup, you would have been asked to choose and answer a few security questions. You'll likely be presented with one or more of these questions and will need to provide the correct answers. Make sure you remember the answers you provided originally, paying attention to capitalization and spelling. Receiving a verification code, BMO might send a one-time verification code to your registered email address or mobile phone number. You'll then need to enter this code on the password reset page to proceed. This adds an extra layer of security by confirming that you have access to your registered contact information. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully and provide the requested information accurately. Step 4. Choose a new password. Once your identity has been successfully verified, you'll be prompted to create a new password for your BMO Online Banking account. This is your opportunity to choose a strong and unique password that you don't use for any other online accounts. Here are some tips for creating a strong password. Make it long. Aim for a password that is at least 12 characters long, and ideally even longer. Use a combination of characters. Include a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols, like at $, $, and asterisk. Avoid personal information. Don't use your name, date of birth, address, phone number, or any other easily guessable personal details. Steer clear of common words or phrases. Dictionary words or common phrases are easier for hackers to guess. Create something memorable but not obvious. Try using a sentence or phrase that is meaningful to you and then incorporating variations and symbols. For example, I love to hike in the mountains could become IL0V3H, K1NTH3M0 untains. Don't reuse passwords. Use a unique password for your BMO Online Banking and avoid using passwords you've used for other websites or services. Step 5. Confirm your new password. After you've entered your new password, you'll usually be asked to enter it again in a Confirm New Password field. This is to ensure that you've typed it correctly and that there are no typos. Double-check that both entries match exactly before proceeding. Step 6. Complete the password reset process. Once you've confirmed your new password, click the Submit, Reset Password, or similar button to finalize the process. You should then receive a confirmation message indicating that your password has been successfully reset. Step 7. Log in with your new password. You can now return to the BMO Online Banking login page and log in using your username or access ID and the new password you just created. Make sure to type it in correctly. Resetting your BMO Online Banking password is a straightforward process designed to be both secure and user-friendly. By following these steps carefully, you can quickly regain access to your account and continue managing your finances online. Remember to choose a strong, unique password and keep your contact information up to date with BMO to ensure a smooth experience. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.